If you are just like me and don't know what to build, found the app Wbuilds. Let's press get started. Which game edition do you play? I played Java edition. How did you hear about us? I hear on YouTube. Which platform do you use? I use the PC. Now let's choose what we wanna build. And there we can see a lot of idea of buildings. I wanna build a basketball court. Let's press start building, and there we can see all of materials what we need for building. I have already received all this material. First step is find like this area. I have already find that. Next step is change all of grasses to quartz. Alright, I finished first step. Let's see what next step we have. The next step is change all of the grasses to wood. I finished the second step. Let's see what we have next. We are starting to build rings. I will show you the speed up version because it took a little over half an hour. Yes, I am not builder.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
Finally, I finished the rings. Let's see what we have next. We are building a thing for takeoff. Here you can see how it works, but it's too early for this. The next step is put some glasses over there and there too. The penultimate step is put all our iron bars around the court. The next step is we have to put lantern and oak fence like this. The last step is put around the court oak leaves. And finally we are finished that. It looks so good. We have a cat there. Let's try to do dunk. Yeah, that's so funny. And finally we are finished that. I show you the new app what I found. If you want more videos about the Minecraft, just write me in the comments.